In this module, we are going to talk about another math function called mRound or multiple round. Now, what does this mRound means? It rounds up a number to its nearest multiple. Now, what does that mean? Let me give you an example. Suppose you have a number 4 and you want to know whether this number 4 is a multiple of 2 or not. If it is a multiple of 2, which it is, right? So here you'll find all the multiples of 2 from 2 to 12. I've just done that just for you to refer to. And if I say here mRound, the number and the multiple, then what should I get? I should get the number because 4 is a multiple of 2, so it will display 4. No problem as far as that output is concerned. But suppose if I say number 5, is number 5 multiple of 2? The answer is no. Then what will mRound show? 5, 2. What will it show? So it has to show me the nearest multiple of 5, of 2, of number 5. Which means, which number is closest to 5 and multiple of 2? Now, if you look at this numbers here, you will find two numbers. One is 4 and one is 6, which is closest to 5, and they are equidistant. Right? 4, 5, 6. So which one will it display? Because it won't display 5. Because 5 is not a multiple of 2. So it should either display 4 or it should display 6. So the choice would be the greatest number. So if there is a conflict between which number should I pick up, the highest one would be chosen. So let's see. Yeah. So mRound 5, 2, the answer is 6. Now if I say multiple of 5, now what will be my answer? Yes, 5 is a multiple of 5, so it will show 5. If I say 16, so what will show me? So 16 means what? 5. So what is the multiple of 16 which is closest to 5? Okay, so it should be 20 or 15. So which one is the closest? Okay, the closest is 15. So it shows me 15. But here it doesn't take the highest now. Why? Because they are not equidistant. 15 is much closer than 20. So it takes the one which is the closest number. Like for example, if I pick up 27 from here, what is the multiple of 5 which is closest to 27? Because 27 is not the multiple of 5. So it's 5 5s are 25 or 30. Now 25, 26, 27, right? 27, 28, 29. So 28, 29, two numbers before it reaches 30. One number before it reaches 25. So 25 is closer, right? So 25 comes here. Okay. So mRound basically gives you the multiple of that number, closest multiple of that number. So 27, 5, what is the answer? 25. Similarly, you can use any other numbers, like for example 3. If I use 3, what happens? Then this becomes, it's a multiple of 3, so it shows 27. If I say 4, right? So this is not a multiple of 4. So 4 6 are 24, right? 4 7s are 28. So which is closer? Right? Which is closer? 28. So 28. So this way mRound works. Let us see one practical example of that. Here we have certain times, right? And here we want to convert these time to a 15-minute interval, which means that if it is 8.08, it should go to 8:15 a.m. or 8 a.m. So either it should be 8 a.m., 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, 9, 9:15, so on and so forth. So it should be in 15 minutes interval which I should convert this number to. Now the question here is, how do I do that? So you'll use m round. So m round this number, and you want a 15 minutes. In this case, since it's a time, you need to give it within double quotes. So what you will get? So will it go to the 15 or will it go to 8.00? So which is nearer? It has to go 8 steps back to reach 0. And it has to go 7 steps forward to reach 15. So where should it go? 15 or 8? Should go to 8.15 because 8.15 is nearer. Similarly, if I 8.18 or 8.30, 8.15 or 8.30. So the answer is 8.15, right? So 8.28, 8.30 or 8.15? 8.30, of course, right? Similarly, 45 or 30. What do you think? Take a guess. 45, because 45 is nearer. This way, I would create the interval of 15 minutes by using the m round function. So I hope you've got the idea of how m round function works.